Breaking into Etsy as a new seller is tough and the competition level is really high. But here's the good news, there are still hidden niches with massive demand and low competition. In today's video, I'll show you how I find one of them, how I use ChatGPT to generate a unique prompt for the designs, and how I brought them to life using Kittl AI. So if you're serious about standing out and getting real results, you don't want to miss this. Let's get started. Before you start designing any digital product to be sold on Etsy, it's important to understand whether the product has low competition and good search volume. To do this, I use a platform called Sales Samurai. In the search option, I type in the keyword for the digital product I want to sell. As a result, I can quickly see that Clipart has a high search volume, but also very high competition. The solution to this is to search for a Clipart soft niche with a lower competition and higher search volume. To do that, I scroll down to where it says Etsy most trending keywords, and from there, I can quickly identify a sub-niche with a higher search volume, low competition, and a click-through rate. After going through this process, I came across a Clipart sub-niche focused on a beehive Clipart designs. This sub-niche stood out because it had a high search volume, a strong CTR, and a low competition, which makes it a potential design that can sell fast. After identifying this sub-niche, I searched the keyword on Etsy to see how competitors are designing their product. Doing this research, I noticed that most of the beehive Clipart designs were in a nursery art style, so I decided to add an extra touch to my own design to make it stand out. For example, instead of creating just a simple beehive clip art in a nursery style, I also included floral elements because nursery design typically fits well with floral designs. And according to Sales Samurai, floral designs also had a great search volume. This means that my final design can attract buyers from both nursery and floral niches. So to create these designs, I needed an AI platform that could generate high quality results. And after some research, I found Kittl AI. With Kittl AI, I can easily generate a high-quality clip art design just by providing a simple prompt and selecting clip art style. This allows me to create an attractive, trending design that has the potential to generate fast sales on Etsy. And it doesn't stop there. Whether you're designing wall art, logo, or printable product, Kittl gives you full control with professional-grade editing tools that are smooth, intuitive, and user-friendly. Even if you're not a designer, their brand new vector tool suite takes everything to the next level. You can fine-tune shapes, round corners with precision, and build unique designs by merging or subtracting elements all within the platform. No need for extra software, no hassle. If you're working with a team or managing multiple projects, Kittl team makes real-time collaboration a breeze. You can share files, leave feedbacks, assign roles, and keep everything organized in one shared workspace. No more chaotic email threads or misled files. It's fast, it's flexible, and it's built for creators who are ready to grow. So click the link in the description to try Kittl for free, and if you use the coupon code Endatah, you get 25% off on all Kittl premium plan, and you could access all these amazing tools Kittl has to offer. Now, to create the design using Kittl, the first step is to start a new project. Set it to a 1:1 ratio and adjust the DPI resolution to 300. Next, click on the AI icon and select image generation. Now, to create the prompt for this design, I asked ChatGPT to help. I started by giving it a clear instruction format, letting it know that I needed an image generation prompt based on a sample concept I will provide. Then I described the image concept and added additional instruction to refine the output. As a result, ChatGPT generated the prompt exactly the way I wanted. Then I pasted the prompt in Kittl AI, selected the aspect ratio I needed, and chose nursery art style. And this was the results I got. I also tried other prompt variations and they all came out looking great. But that wasn't all. I also compiled a list of 100 prompts that can help you generate this style of result. The link will be in the description. And a special thanks to my Patreon supporters for making this possible. Before exporting my design, I used Kittl Upscaler to enhance the quality, and since this is a clip art design, I also removed the white background. After everything was done, my AI generated clip art design was ready to be uploaded to Etsy. Finally, I hope this video helped guide you through how to find a digital product with the potential to sell fast. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.